welcome back to my channel, you guys. Hope you all are having an awesome day. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm really excited about today's video because we are drawing Coi Leray. Yes, y'all, I love her song No More 40s. But I decided that I wanted to draw this picture. When I saw it on Pinterest, I was like, oh my gosh, her expression is so cute and so adorable. I just have to draw this picture, and I really like how it came out, and I can't wait to show you guys the final result. But before we get started, we're going to give a big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. Yes, you guys already know I love Skillshare, you guys. And for everyone who's new to my channel and you don't know what Skillshare is, it is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creators and just anybody who wants to explore new skills and deepen their existing passions. There's so many different classes on here, you guys. Other than just painting and learning how to draw, you can learn how to do logo design, photography, graphic design, create your own business. I mean, the list is just really endless, and this is the first place that I would go to if I'm ready to learn a new skill. So I would definitely recommend it. And if you guys are interested to learning new skills or freshening up your skills already, then check out my description below. The first 1,000 to click on the link will get a free trial of premium Skillshare membership. So go ahead and check it out, y'all. Yes, yes, yes. And also, you guys, I wanted to let you guys know about one of my favorite classes on there, which is by Gabrielle Bricky. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love her. She's one of my favorite artists, and I was so happy to know that she had classes. And I really love her class, Character Illustration, Drawing Female Portraits in Procreate. Oh my goodness, I love this class. It really just helps me to refresh my memory on, you know, creating characters, and she explains things so well. So I would totally recommend her class, you guys. So yeah, make sure to check out the description below and get your free trial or whatever. But anyways, you guys, let's go ahead and get back to the video. Alrighty, you guys, so back to the video. So I know you guys have already probably seen this picture on my Instagram, but you guys haven't seen the drawing process. So I really hope that you all enjoy watching these little speed paints. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like these, and I will continue to post them for you. But anyways, I love Procreate, you guys. I've been using it for forever now on my iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This is the 2020 version that I'm using, and I love it. I really love Procreate and everything. Like, I use it for all of my digital artwork now. It's awesome. And I just had to draw this super cute picture of Coi Leray. I thought it was so adorable. I had to draw the expression and everything. And at first, you guys, I wasn't sure if I was going to finish this piece. I wasn't sure if it was going to come out good, but the Holy Spirit was just like, nope, just keep going, don't give up. And I didn't give up, and I really liked how it came out. Because yeah, I feel like when you're, you know, drawing and stuff, or you're in the process of your painting, you always get to that part where everything is kind of not really looking the best before it gets better. You know, it's kind of like in the muddy stage, and you're still trying to get everything together and all that. But yeah, and right here I think is my favorite part, is where I was drawing the eyes and stuff. And when I did the eyes, that's my favorite part of this picture. It's definitely what stands out the most. And I've been loving drawing just more anime-like style eyes lately. I love anime and I love Disney. You guys know from the longest time that, you know, I like to combine like Disney and anime style into my art, kind of semi-realism kind of thing, and that's what I've been just doing with my style as of now. And yeah, I love the anime eyes and all the shine and the sparkles and the heart in the eye. I just really love it. And I hope you guys like it too. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys continue to enjoy watching the video. Hope you guys are having a blessed and awesome day. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you all at the end of the video. Alrighty, you guys, this is the final piece. I love how it turned out, you guys. I mean, the background is really giving me those like old 90 vibes where, you know, you would take those photo booth pictures with the airbrush background. It's really giving me those vibes, you know, very 2000s, very just really cute. I just love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of me making this Coi Leray inspired piece. I really love it. I love how the eyes turned out. Oh my gosh, so sparkly, so cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and thanks so much again for being so awesome. You guys are amazing.